am a financially insecure person, but not so much emotionally, physically, mentally. So it takes people kind of aback whenever, I say, hey, I have gone out with men who have spent $300-400 on the first date, or have bought me a $300-400 freaking gift the first date, or done this and that the first date. But I prefer a man who is struggling, not because he's struggling and I like to struggle, because no one likes to struggle, but because the majority of the people out here, men and women, who are struggling on a regular basis, working, the 9 to 5s, or struggling to even get a 9 to 5 because their stupid fucking corporation would prefer give them 35 hours or 36 hours so they don't hit the full-time mark, Walmart. Those people seem to have the most heart and more of a reason to try hard, and they tend to be more family oriented than the people who will make a lot of money or not have to struggle as much and then constantly say, if I can do it, they can do it. There's no excuse. No, you're a piece of shit because you think that because you actually did something with yourself, other people owe you a kiss on your ass and they should follow you and do what you do. No, boo. You ain't shit. Your struggle. You forgot about it or you never had it. Because any black person who is making a specific amount of money and goes out and tries to shit on other black folks, guess what? If history serves me right, your child, your grandchild, they're going to be in the same spot we are, homeboy.